you are at 66. You have a visitor.
How are we are there?
Well, I have news. We have good news.
How we there?
Why you say it like that?
No, because me know. Well, me not go say right. When me left that alone. Me not go say because you that work the way you do. Me not expect say that, you get pregnant. Me don't say have one.
Well, I'm pregnant and unfortunately I have somebody with can't really help me right now.
How?
You,
Me?
yes, you.
How come
What
me
do
a
you think
jail?
so would have happened if we never use condom?
Alright, wait, say for me use.
Yes, listen. Me never want to tell you that. That's why I wait till it reach so far. Because you know you don't know the situation and I never want to put stress on you. I say, I could have managed, but then I can't really work. Okay, understand the work I'm doing. I can't go work, so.
Alright,
So
alright. Don't worry about that. Because I don't want you to stress yourself. I don't want you to stress out the baby. So here what you do. You know my virgin lippy. Yeah man, Lipton.
Yeah, me know.
Yeah man. Here me I go do. Me I go link Lipton and me I go make Lipton give up some money. And no one then you can go link him back and forth so the baby can get take care of everything. When we get release and thing, me just link you.
Well, me gonna need one good piece of money because ultrasound time no one. So,
Alright, no problem. I would have call you.
well, the taxi man drop me and come and tell him to wait for me because I can't walk.
Alright. Me not gonna make you wait too long cause time soon up too. So here you are. No worry yourself. Me go call Lippy and make you get that money.
Alright.
Anything, no matter what, just call me. Alright, here you are. Me have one access to one bank line. Go take your number. Anything you want, just call me.
I can get the phone.
Eh?
I can get the phone.
You give me put in it. Alright, so just call me. Anything you want, just call me.
Can call it anytime.
No really, but just call. If you don't get me, call back.
Alright. Well,
Alright.
thanks.
Alright, here. Yeah man, and take care of baby, alright?
Alright.
Yeah man.
Okay. No, we don't have time for that. Let's to eat work. Yes, you work. Like we're up at station right now. Girl.
Yo, Lippy. Yeah man, I Billy man. Alright, you are going. I can't talk too long. Lisa, I will link you for your money, see? Yeah man. Don't worry about that, man. You don't need to know why Lisa will link you for your money. Just give her money for me, see? Yeah man, yeah. Me have a piece of money put on one place. So me want you go up on me yard to collect a thing out of it. Yeah man, and give Lisa. Alright? Yeah man, me can't talk too long, see?
This is our 66. Come in.
Yo. Yo, Lipo, where upon?
Boy, I'm there, no man. Where you going it?
Why is I one link me so me come gear, you see me?
So you there, you're Jamaica shut the door.
Yeah man, I don't a Carol store down a sub me buy man, Conrad sister.
Eh?
So boy I'm a weird guy match and thing, but Jamaica drop out I league dog, but you don't know. Man a Jamaican and we love the country same, so we just go and rep the shirt till one next league start again, you see me?
True, man. It look tough, no, man. You know, look like they old, like I want fresh designer they have a deal with.
Yeah man, I new kit this man. I new kit, you see me?
So you say that, pan?
Aye, you must say a link, me can link you. Ask for your help.
How can I help?
Alright, you are. You know, so Jimmy have some big European goat up, you know, Joe? Yeah, man.
Oh, then go the deer, you know, dog.
I mean, no, brother. 250,000 for one, you know? Yeah. So, you are.
You rather buy one of them?
No, brother, I mean, no money to buy a goat, you know, dog.
So,
You are one, man. Pray me there, pray say. You want help for thief to them.
someone come back in and sense to what I did. What you say to me, dog? You know?
Brother, stop laughing, no man. They come like a judge, me, brother.
Listen, I listen to you, you know, but we don't judge. But brother, why you don't want to go thief man goat dog?
You know,
Look,
listen to me, I said 254 and I go. Now imagine this. If we thief 4 of them, you know, $1 million, that thing, brother. That could buy a drive, you know. So, yeah, help me or not help me.
brother, let me tell you this. I prefer to walk and ride the bicycle than for somebody go take my name, put it on Papa News, say me thief goat. Eh? You know see how they do goat thief, brother? Me I know the type of somebody there, brother. If you go thief no goat next thing then you go put me on Papa News. The amount of, see all other day, Miss Sandra, boy Randy, go down a little land and go thief goat. I'm out to chop them key all in head, a whole like 3 finger chop off. And something, for goat. Papa have it pan something. Yeah, mad
Brother,
dog.
kill is that, man, kill is that can't happen to me. So, you say, you know, come.
Boy, $1 million for 4 goat. Enough money that still. But I really do well with it. Cause I could have paid for my light bill and pay off coats and something. But me always tell myself say 3 things that I call upon for my name. Thiefing, chichiman, and informer. People can't say anything else when they want to say me no business.
Alright, if you're not go, maybe go deal because Christmas I need the money. But yo, when last you go up on the bridge, you link to a girl.
Why, me I try to cut out of that habit there, you know, God know me I try to cut out of that habit there because it'll take too much out of me, brother. I find myself all 2 times I want to go in a one night. So I just cut out that there. Too much money that there, brother.
A new girl down the name, Lisa, brother. Now tell her, that girl no belong on the bridge, girl look good. You see me? So as me sell it goat them, down them there. You see me?
Just do it though. Boy, me will look on the menu, but me not order.
Alright, let's see how good. Yo, look come on.
Do it though, man.
Alright.
But as me say, me listen, but me don't judge. And do. No bother make Papa put you up on the channel. Cause anything Papa put up the stain. Yo, Bigger Joe. Bigger Joe. Yo. Bigger Joe. You don't hear me call it, dog.
Brother, I do some house clean right now, you know, cause I don't like to talk about my business skills, you know, but me to a nice girl and I carry her home later.
Finally bingo.
So I
Boy.
go on differently.
You know, say I don't have my yard them there. I'm there going for a little reason and I say yo, I come get a link.
What you want to know?
But I'm not even that. And the one Billy come link me a while ago.
Why?
Yeah man, you're not even that brother. Man disrespectful to you, say dog. I can't tell me about him want me if he can help him thief goat. What kind of man you think me be? Eh?
Brother, so
All me I try to tell him man say brother, you can't thief goat. Thiefing goat and them the thief brother. I chop up on them you chop up man when they thief you.
brother, that is why I tell him more while, you know. That's why I'm not really too par with Billy, you know, cause Billy I want thief, you know. So I'm not too steer on the man them more while. So at Christmas time, you know, and people get locked up for them today, you know.
Brother, just like how Randy got thief and get chop up, brother. All me I try to tell him.
So wait, who forgot him a try thief?
Jimmy.
Jesus Christ.
Remember say Jimmy have a European got them a worth too much money, brother.
So you know things say Jimmy will chop him up for that now. If he find out say him a plan for that.
Yo, him alright, you know. Him a big man. Him have to live up to him own responsibility them. But here, me want little catty I can link me from around a Grangel there. And me want get one juice and something. I don't know if you can lend me a 5 grand.
First thing,
Can I give him 3 grand for go back home?
Lipo, first thing. Yeah, look girl at Grangel.
Brother, so what wrong with Grangel?
me not even go talk about that right now, you know. But you know many things say you talk borrow money. And you can't plan say I make girl link you and no money. But me not judge your stills, you know, me just I listen to you. So
Brother, stop using my style for me, man. Just let me money on top of foolishness.
You can give a 5.
Alright, respect, man. Respect. But as me say, the one, Billy, you can't look out for Papa News. You go see him. You go see him for Papa News. Remember, say me did tell you.
Just know say at Christmas time now, brother, if you get locked up for go thief, you not come out till a year time now.
You don't never see me pan them, listen. But yo, respect, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. I say, I come in.
Mm-hmm.
Proud of you, my boss.
Yeah, man.
Yo, me proud of you, you know.
Yeah, look good, you know.
Yeah, yo, you running our family, you know, man.
You start going, Lisa.
Where go on, Billy?
Where you can go on from here, Lisa?
Anything, whatever you want.
Lisa, you love money, sir, Lisa.
No, I work my day.
Alright. Me have a thing, man. Me have a thing. Know yourself, Lisa.
Are we not safe? We say come for treat me tonight?
Yeah, man. Me come to treat you. That's why you see. Because you are going now, Lisa.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? I have 4 big European goat. We sell since weekend. Yeah, man. It's a money tan chang, man.
You're being so much them the work.
You know about European goat at
You don't know how much you
250,000.
sell about them for?
At 250 for one. So $1 million that me get for 4 of them.
That's not bad, Billy. That's not bad, eh?
So
What do you say you want going tonight?
You ready?
Anything what you want, man.
Come on now.
Anything you want.
Drink something, man. I don't know how much money drop, you know. 4 big goat me sell, you know. Drink something, man. Tastes good, though. We don't like any soya beat, you know.
Police, don't move. Don't move. Sir Billy?
What we do, officer?
Sir Billy?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's just the man I look for. Man. Long time I look for you. Don't move. Tougher. Put on the beer. You over there. You 200. Put up another in here. You over there. Where your name? What's your name?
Wilbur Duncan.
Wilbur? You have ID for you? Alright. Give me a walk. Give me a walk, man. You know who this you're the monks, boy? Sir Billy, man. You know, long way I look for you.
My boss, listen now. Me don't know nothing about no goat, you know, my boss.
Yeah? We have strong evidence for you. 4 of the European goat them. You know where the boy? You know how expensive them goat is?
Yes, my boss, me know. Alright, here me I go do. I like how me.
What you have to say?
Like how me alone there. We can talk about it. I'm give you even half my money out of me sell them for.
Bribery? You move on the field. No, stand up and put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back, please.
Alright, my boss.
Sir Billy? Yeah, I go spend the new year in a prison. You're under arrest for goat thief. Anything you say or do can be used against you.
My boss, I
court of law.
just 2 little goat, you know that serious, you know, my boss.
Yeah, man, tell that to the judge.
Alright, my boss.
You will be on goat.
So, oh, me not see you. Like, me not see you on the road and I come on the road and I come on the bridge and I come and work, nothing.
Girl, I think me I'll give the bridge a break because
Pardon me? What do you mean, give the bridge a break? I know that's your lifestyle. And I see you make money. How you gonna survive?
I find one nice young man, you know, like
One nice rich young man. You rich?
no.
So, you're walking from your work for one broke boy
I wouldn't say I'm broke. You have money but you're not rich.
and you can take care of you.
Yeah.
And you drive a nice little car. I have to joke you make. No. I have to joke you make. What do you mean? See, I tell me, someone look up broke, dirty foot boy, make you walk from your job. I can't really believe it still, you know, because I find I look one man too. But me not walk from what I do for no man. Me need money.
So, girl, me not look down upon what we used to do, but
Used to what you used to do. Because I'm still there.
what we do. Me not look down upon what we do, but me think me will get a break because I want a nice guy. Me don't want to find out about my life.
So you gonna hide everything from him? You gonna just live in one life? Go like you're Miss Perfect? I don't know, one man and two man and I bet you tell him fine now, because when they see you to and start pine for you, you're not gonna like it.
I'ma go tell him. Yeah, me go tell him, but me not ready yet.
Okay.
So, what about the rich man where you find?
Oh, him. I'm not a rich man, but he have a piece of money, right? He have a piece of money. But here what? You remember Billy? The Rasta youth?
Yeah.
Alright, so you know how me that tell you say he have some animal and thing. He sell 4 and you and got them a millions we talk about.
What?
Millions. Yes, yeah. So I mean animal link you know one me I go.
Wait. See in the ear? You know ear what go on?
Yeah, listen story or not. You go
No, but you hear what go on?
But what?
With Billy.
You might talk to somebody else?
Billy they at jail.
Billy no there jail.
Billy they at jail.
What
The
you mean?
goat them went thief. The goat them went
For the
sell.
what?
A thief in thief them.
Billy thief goat?
Yes.
I never know say Billy thief goat. Me
Well,
think of him goat.
No.
Cause he would
Billy
like
don't
tell me
want
saying
no
having
animal.
things them and the animal. Girl, stop lying.
Billy don't want no animal. A thief him thief
Well,
goat them.
Me no, who am I to judge Billy? Who am I to judge Billy? I'm not judging.
We listen.
And we don't
we
judge.
don't judge.
Billy tell me say he sell some goat and he make a money. He sell some goat and he make a money. The only thing I make about the money and he have millions. Me thief in goat, making thief goat. Do what I have to do. Me I do what I have to do for survive, not sure. So about Billy now.
Why? Everything alright, you know. Cause we have life. We have to give God thanks for life, you know. Me thank God we live to see today.
So me meet one guy from the work, right?
Mm-hmm.
Meet one guy from the work and in that process me find out say him make a money. Like he make a good piece of money off of some goat when he sell. But he end up at jail.
Wine sell goat?
Yeah, some goat.
Okay.
You know money depend goat like
Okay.
Christmas time.
Yeah, man.
So boy make a piece of money, I'ma come up with an idea.
Mm-hmm.
So since as we did do the dirty before in touch jail, we did kinda like we that talk one time, right? 'Cause you know them have access to phone. So that talk one time I'm tell him say I'm pregnant. But you know a girl not pregnant. Me not pregnant at all. So me I did the run around with him, but you know when he touch with him I want to see baby. And he soon come around now. By the time he come out, the baby would have be your daughter age. So me that plan say to borrow your baby. And you know, so I know you will see her, you know, she not gonna be me like every day and so just listen like Candy. And money we are talking about. I don't know, play money, we are talking about millions. But just want so me can take off for him, 'cause you know, you have to scam them sometimes. You understand?
Me I try to understand. Go and talk. Me no really get it yet. Me I try to understand.
Listen, no, me I tell you so me a scam him, right? Me tell him so I'm pregnant. Me I keep up with it, and he believe. So at the end of the day, I'm going to need one baby, and the closest person to me with one baby, and the baby are going to be the age of where she's supposed to be when he come out. So me that hope some could use your daughter.
Hey, God. Me.
Yes, Candy.
Me.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
Just listen now, money. Money.
So, me one daughter. When me have. Me no know if me can have any more kids. Me must run then kinda. Hey.
Wait, no Candy, I don't like so we are changing name or nothing like that. Like, I feel like me that get one of my friends for like start to want like a fake piece of bread paper. That's all you need, you know. She still a
So
pay.
far.
Because me have to make it look believable. Candy, I'm a friend of money we talk about. Maybe can, pinch or something.
Thunder lightning.
Jesus Christ.
You're mad.
You're corporate, you know.
Me and your friend long time. Everything you want me to do, me help you from the beginning to the end.
Because a bigger money.
But this different. This totally different. Me no know if me can stand up to them and sit here. No. So when our father hear about it, how it go? So when your man come from prison, my picnic come out of my hand, live from my yard and come at your yard and they stay with you a man.
Like me not have her sometimes. She not
Then-
always come at me.
Lord of
We can't
Jesus.
just use them. Listen.
Suppose man come from prison and say they want to do DNA because they not trust you.
Why would I want the DNA?
Why would you want to do the DNA? You don't know if man can look into the brain and say, you know what? Me don't know if that girl ya, they trick me or that
Alright,
woman
watch
ya,
this.
or that girl ya.
What is that, Candy? Buy figure what you need to figure out. Me take what me need to get already.
And then you left my life and my picnic and my baby father life in a
Nothing no
jeopardy.
go so. Nothing no go so.
This-
Nothing no go so.
No, it's serious. No man.
Jeez.
No man, this serious.
Candy, just focus
I'm
on
a
the
one.
part when me say. Focus on the part when me say money.
Money. So me must put
And
money.
$1,000 and $100. That's about millions.
I know billions, it's millions.
Me don't know how much we can Jordan, but you know, million. And watch this. Me don't plan for us take a baby for you and get a thing, you know. Me I tell us when me say pinch, me don't mean like this thing and get 1 thing, you know. Me talk about one good piece of money, grocery stock up everything. You don't need to worry. Me I do this for me, you know. Cause I could choose somebody else and me decide for run to Candy. Think about it now.
Lisa. I rent you want rent me picnic?
Sure. So you can't put it like that.
Eh?
Alright. Me not rent her, but I'm looking easy see where far where I come from, you know. I see as my bigger sister, you know. She just a go there by me and me go give her money and make sure say she good and you know. Stop do thing too deep, nothing bad now gonna happen.
This serious though. But you see, Lisa, listen to me, man. Me no know. It hard for till. See, cause money me have to go run then kind of reset with my life to me and your friend. Lisa, to me rate you make mother do this, I swear.
We are talk about money.
Me no really want to do this. God no. You couldn't, you don't want something else instead of my child.
Why else would I use? You want to go breed and give me one picnic?
No, but me don't breed her.
So just cooperate. Me promise you your daughter go safe. Nothing bad now got Billy and no one violent man. Me tell you say me have me way around Billy. Me have Billy lock. I just you have to know say your baby and mine right now. And I really you know your daughter right now. I'm my child. You understand?
Alright, guess what? Me make up my mind. Yeah, the deal is done. Me I'll do it.
So that's what you say. See daddy there? Daddy?
Freedom is a must.
See your daughter here.
Think they couldn't hold me as a favor. Where's that baby, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, come here, my baby. Yeah, man. Alright, so you are going to know. Want to see you all I wash off, you know.
Yeah,
I'm
no
putting the
problem.
all clothes, you see me?
So where you say the money still active?
Don't worry about money, man. Yeah, worry about money.
Don't worry about. Remember, say baby in a pitch time and school I start soon.
Don't worry about nothing, man. Kiss me again, my baby. Alright, so,
Come.
is you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm tail dog.
So, Luxus.
How is it?
What's it, man? Where you now?
How many looks man? You're not glad we come on road?
Bro, glad somebody around this. Dog, when I come back, brother, it's like a bag of things just dip on my mind, brother. And like, I just don't know how to shake your feeling, dog.
Yo, you can't talk to me, no man. We listen, but we don't judge. Me and a friend long time. I don't know why you can't talk to me about. I want to you now.
Alright, here premiums. Come kind of give you one little insight when me there jail still now. So let me tell you the fullness, bro. You
Yeah.
don't know, say, me and Lisa when he left. See,
Mm-hmm.
when he left a little bit before me got jail. And when me got jail, brother, she show up me and tell me, say, she pregnant, brother.
Mm-hmm.
And I say, alright, you're pregnant. Me not get no youth. Me gonna be a good father. So what me do? No and then me collect money from my people and I send go give her. When I time me all, you remember when I time me all ask her to go drop off a piece of money for her for me, man?
Oh, yeah. I did that, the girl.
Yeah. So me I go and do the right thing as a man. Then boom so the youth born. Picture I send come give me while she pregnant, picture I send come give me a baby and everything. Then
Mm-hmm.
and now time pass and I left jail and me come home and now. But bro, from I come home, it's like this little eerie feeling, bro. It's like this eerie feeling like say, yo, youth and for me, brother. I feel uneasy about it, dog. Like I don't feel me youth. You see me?
Boy, if you tell you the truth, you know. One night time, I never did I even see Lisa up on the road or nothing like that. Like she would come off a road.
Yeah, and me, you tell her say, yo, since you're pregnant, just ease off our road, brother.
Mm.
You see me? Yeah.
But that the pit didn't have nothing for look fear of his throat. Me always see man, me I say, pit didn't have nothing like you.
Yeah, and me, you tell Lisa, God, brother, you know what kind of work Lisa do took. And me tell Lisa so to ease off our road. Just to make them say ease off, boy.
So
More
brother,
I feel like to beat her myself, you know.
dog, hold
I
on.
shouldn't even get involved with them type of girl, you know, brother.
That's the same thing. Me just say, I was saying, how you manage get yourself involved if you get a girl off of the back road, pregnant dog, really?
Listen, man. You know, buy nothing from one of them girls, like, brother, and it just good. And you get hooked, brother.
But, oh, you mean, say I use condom? I say, you already yourself careless, brother.
Bro, no you tell me, say, you listen and not judge.
Me not,
And you gonna judge me, you know.
me not judge a dog, but me I say, me don't know, oh. No, brother. First thing first, I'll two condom you put on when time you go link girl on the street, brother.
Alright, here I one. Here I one. I gotta just figure out something, because I don't really want to just left you out and take care of him and together.
But yo, hear me, sir. Nobody worry about that. You come from prison, cheers, a day after Christmas.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
Just do the right thing, man. Nobody to think about not picking right now, dog. Just glad to stay there back again. I know, say you make some money, I know. You understand?
Alright.
Lepa! You always take long for come out now. Lepa!
Yo!
Better forward now. Oh, go on.
Where you going, bigger Joe? Oh, there, man.
So how going with the funds?
With what?
With the cash. 50,000 away you owe me.
Did dog, you don't want to know. You don't want to know what going,
Me
brother.
no want no what go on, just give me money.
Boy. You know, say I show me buy some paint, dog, and paint up your house and the money pine down, dog. I mean, I did. Channel.
So brother, you make me come all the way over here so for nothing.
Oh, brother, that's what they know, say I forward, dog.
Brother, right now my woman want to do some Christmas shopping. So me need the money there, brother.
Boy,
Not even know what me have to tell her now.
boy, I true. I'm not even know where me I get the money from, dog. From when I be a little $20 and $30, mama send in, man. I mean,
Rough. Alright then, me when you sort out things, just send it to my account.
yeah, man. Yeah, brother, I respect it, dog, for wait so long, dog. You see me? But another thing, you know who come check me a while ago?
Cool.
Now, Billy, man. Man, look different, yo.
Which Billy?
Billy.
You thought Rasta Billy?
Yeah, man, the man, no, they lock up, what they lock up, we got a thief a goat, man. When they catch him and lock him up in a car, he a goat them or something.
Say him the back a road?
Yeah, man. There, back man, and he come link me and something, and the man a tell me, say, yo, Lisa gave him one pitney dog, and the pitney and a feed.
Which Lisa game pitney?
Sell front Lisa, dog.
Why?
You know Lisa, you know the type of work Lisa do, dog. Me ask him and say, yo, oh, you fi sex a girl, dog, we sell front on the street, dog, without condom, dog. What kind of carelessness that, dog? I mean, and I like say, I judge him still, but me just I listen to him and tell me, say,
Well, it
hey,
kinda sound like I judge him still.
no, brother, I'm not judge, but I judge that, dog. I must say, all different kind of man deal with Lisa when they come on to a night time, you know, dog. You can't do that.
Sometimes me are surprised when me hear that she do them things, you know, cause she a friend with my woman, you know. I mean, I know how my woman even have friends with she, to be honest.
Yo, me not even know how did fi tell the man, say, yo, you know, say, me buy some from Lisa too.
Jesus
But
Christ,
Mr.
brother.
Mr. One make inbreed this still.
So, brother, how you feel do that? You never know, say she and him a do things.
Yeah, but me tell you something, you know. You see, as a man, I don't know say the girl them a business ain't doing in the street. You just know say a business. I just say
Well,
things set.
as you always say, no, brother, we listen without judging us. So, I don't really care, no, but that's surprising saying get pitney with she, to be honest. Because, you know, say from when me see her with the pitney, from the pitney barn, and till this day, me I say, how the hell she get pitney? A which man so careless to breed her? Well,
Uh,
but really business, you know. Me just glad some me have a good woman, you know.
yeah, man, then just do the right thing, man. Yo, you
Yo,
want pot pan the fire there, you know.
uh,
So,
so just sort out the thing when you're ready, you know.
yeah, man, me deal with it, man. I respect again here.
Yeah, man.
Tell your cousin say she fi come check me a little more. Feel help her deal with the SBA.
Ah,
Yeah.
ah, yep, problem.
Hi.
All right.
Mm-hmm. What did Tom say about the money?
You know, so look down tell me say, you know, have the cash. You use it, buy some paint for your house.
You use the money by paint. Then for buy paint or gear your money, which one important?
Yeah, me know say he want your money so I can do some Christmas shopping, but he say he don't have no money for himself. Me just tell him say, oh, when you get the money, just send it to my account.
Me did tell you, know, don't give Lipton no money. Me did I tell you, me that warn you. Lipton is the kind of person who no pay back nobody. Me did tell you,
But
don't
yeah,
give Lipton no money.
Little a good youth, you know, so me believe him. He never tell me no lie. So me just have to just wait. Me figure it out. No worry yourself.
Alright.
But you know, say Lipton tell me one little secret though.
What Lipton tell you say?
Well, you know, say for your friend Lisa, he tell me say, you know, say Billy come out of jail.
So me a hear, yeah.
He picked me when Lisa give Billy. Billy no feel so him pick him.
You know say pitney for Billy. Even if Billy feel like say I no feel him pitney, why Lipton feel saying if he have you spread around the whole place? Lipton chat too much. If you keep him out sometime, people feel listen and don't judge, especially Lipton.
Well, me understand what you're saying, babes, but sometimes you have to judge, you know. And as my woman, me supposed to tell her things, you know. So if Lipton tell me this, you know, me not gonna go around and tell nobody. Are you alone me I tell? So we not really say we are judge, but in our way we have to judge, you know, cause remember saying, you know, Lisa used to sell front, you know. And me not try shame her for what she used to do, you know, cause of your friend. And sometimes I have to wonder how you become friend with her. So me not really judge. But as a man, if you feel say I don't feel pitney, you can talk to your friend and say, yo, I don't feel say I feel me pitney, you know. Well, so it goes still, but you need to talk to Lisa. You need to talk to Lisa.
Listen, Lisa, my friend, right? And not because she used to do that for a living. She's not a bad person. So what if she used to do that and Billy feels you're not feeling pick me? So hold on. What if me that self on the road too? You that judge me?
Well, a good thing say never used to do that. So
But still, you that judge me.
no, I never judge her. More than never judge her because I love you.
Okay.
I do. And no matter what, I will always love you. If you used to do that, more than never judge her. But I really want tough thing today in a situation like that. Say your woman used to sell front and you have doubts say I feel people. If me I am me would have do a paternity test.
Okay.
You know feel so?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But I'm sorry though.
Lisa. Lisa.
Yeah.
What on?
No, oh God. But I call him, but I was a shot me and go.
Billy there?
Mm-mm, up on the road.
Baby, alright and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Girl. Well, Billy suspect say the baby are not him.
Top line.
Real something me I tell you. Billy suspect say the baby are not him. Cause as me are here, Billy tell Lipton and Lipton tell Javi, my man, Javi, yeah, and Javi tell me. But then me I hear say Lipton have it all over the community I circulate.
Top line.
Him tell Lipton tell Mass Joe far on the road run so. And he tell Jerry Greg that a Greg done the road. So me did say Lipton chat too much, Lipton don't know people business. Lipton
See me if you tell me say I know Lipton alone no, Javi no, everybody in the community.
yeah, he have a circulate.
You know, so I not rate Lipton, I never yet rate Lipton, you know. Lipton never yet can get my ratings, you know.
Why?
You know, so Lipton I want dirty boy.
So what you plan for the now? Cause he have a you know feel me now.
You mean no me a plan for do?
What you
Me
plan
not
for
plan
do?
nothing, me not just hear the news, but as far as me know, me not have nothing for about. Because me have Billy wrap around my finger. Billy knows say me used to work on the bridge and me used to sell and me used to do this and me used to do that. So if news come back to him, me gonna make you know say people can say anything because they know say I want me do for work. You understand me? I say me have nothing for worry about with Billy, but you see I go deal with
Yeah man, Lipton. Somebody for bring him down, man.
I go deal with
He
Lipton.
must go down today, right?
Who's Lipton? Lipton too enough. Him too enough.
He
Him
can't
for
chat.
for mind him business. Me go to Lipton and tell him my people. Eh? Me tell Lipton that? Lipton is too enough. But you don't worry about Billy. Me have Billy. You understand? You don't worry about Billy. I just you for know, say, you have my back. You understand?
Yeah man.
Alright.
Always. Yeah man, we good.
Me I go shop.
Alright.
Alright.
Lisa,
No Lisa me. No Lisa me. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. Come here, so. Come here, so. Me ever come to you and tell you say, me pick me a jacket?
Lisa, what you talk about?
Oh, what me a talk about?
Me?
What me a talk about? KK tell me say, Javi say, Billy tell you say. Feel me pitney a jacket and you walk and tell everybody, explain yourself. Talk to me, cause film and can hold you say no.
Lisa, what you talk about? Listen to me, man. Me a walk and tell, I spread the name, say, Pitney enough for Billy. Me? First thing first, me not business with people business. Let me tell you that.
You're a big man, you know. And if I say something, you're supposed to can own up to it. Me gotta ask you to come off of my name. You understand?
Lisa, your business there road. I know me alone know about them and sitting around.
Oh, so you say it. Oh, you say okay, you say it. You say it, Lipton.
But why your man can't tell me that you think of me?
Oh,
Me
man,
there,
man
yard.
tell you that. Okay,
First
so
thing-
if him confide in you, Lipton, to tell you, say, he don't feel like he pitting of him, why, as a friend, you walk and tell everybody?
Hold on, Lisa, me ask you something. What kind of work you do?
It no matter what kind of work me do.
Front yourself. That the Pitney can't be that belongs to anybody at all.
Oh, and it can belong to you too. You want me make you and Billy fall out? Eh? Go and call me name. Call me name, no go and call me name. You know where I come from? Me have some, I'm tell you something, my brother then a play around me here, and me go up a flanker for you. Go and call me name. This should be last time me and you argue here.
You know what, Lisa? Me don't know about your business. You know. And
You
just-
know about my business, because you call me name, Lipton. Stop calling me name. You damn right you don't know about my business. See, my name should be in your mouth.
Everything good, man. Yeah? Everything good. Yeah?
Care about my name, to Billy here. And this is a warning, you know. Best believe so this is a warning. You understand? You understand, Lipton? So when you come,
You see me just come off the road and I say me just go and hold a one rest or something, and then me I go and go a bed. But I think you're in the house.
good. So you get a little time for rest, right?
Yeah,
Because me would have like you to explain to me why you tell dirty foot Lipton to the baby and a urine. No, talk to me, man.
how you hear that?
And in one community while we live in, it matter who come to me and tell me. Oh, so you tell people things for true.
Me nah, I know like 100 people me telling I just Lipton me show a little vibe, cause me nah lie you. Me tell you honest truth. Me never want you feel no way or nothing. But God know. Me go to jail, me come back and me see baby. That's alright, yeah. But when me look on the pick the foot, if you can get a little turn to a turn so all of my family they have. The baby don't have you, alright, you know. That bother me nah lie you.
Oh, so one, two, make your thing say the baby and a urine.
Yeah, but the baby don't look like me either.
He not feel look like you. She not feel have her own features. She not have her own features. Look on your eye. She have your eye. You don't think she have your eye?
But I don't know enough to tell you the truth, no, Lisa. I don't know.
So where you want? DNA? A DNA you want?
Lisa, I never did think about on DNA, you know. But if for that, if you just ease my mind, we would do it, yes.
Do what? Do which DNA? If I say a European, I'm not doing a DNA. You can't force that upon me. I'm not doing any DNA. The baby a urine. If I say the baby a urine, the baby a urine. You understand?
But Lisa, big man things, you know. Remember, say up on the road, you used to work, you know.
What that's supposed to mean? So you disrespect me now?
No, me nah, this is
Yeah,
Lisa,
disrespect me
me
now.
rate you,
Somebody
me
when
never
you
rate you, me there with you, no, Lisa. Actually, me rate you, me there with you, you know. But me I say maybe one at a time, when you do that, I sell a little thing on the road, maybe something happen.
Stop this, Billy. Wait, yeah, try disrespect somebody when you lay down with.
Me nah this, Lisa. If me never rate you, you know, me wouldn't there with you, you know.
You not disrespect me, but you go mention my job and with daughter. As much as all the work what me do, discriminating and all of that, are you alone me have sex with without condom? So why you mention my job? Because you already know, you know, you already know what me do and you still decide to be with me. So this have to be one disrespect. Because there's no way serious about our daughter not being yours. See your picking with dead stamp for you, so. Look how the little girl dead stamp on you, Billy.
Alright, Lisa, just lower it. Me
No,
sorry, me
you
sorry.
feel know it, you know, because if me hear say you care about me name to Dirty Lipton, you're not gonna like it. You understand what me I say? Come like you forgot who you're there with.
Alright,
You're not ramp with me, you hear?
alright,
You're not ramp with me.
alright. Yo, Lipton! Go and chat to you, come here.
I'm telling you.
Bro, other day when you come, when me come link you, brother, I'm going to show you the fullness say yo, me feel like say, pick me enough for me, brother. You know, say thing reach but my woman ears, dog. Oh, I know me have to ask to myself, say, oh, me fi show you a thing, dog, and you go back, go call me name. Me, dog! Me! Brother, me don't know what you talk about, dog. Big up, brother. Your business there road, brother. I want people, I want to
Listen, man.
Me
Listen, let me tell you the argument. My woman tell me, say, man, KK tell him, say, Javi tell him, say, you say, me say, pick me enough for me.
Brother, that too much money I can't chat foolishness, brother. Me don't know nothing about that, my youth. I mean, no want nobody can get me mixed up. Cause me listen people business now, dog, but me not judge, you know. Me not judge nothing boy go on around us, brother. Me not my business, but nothing. Even Winston around there, so we have him picnic from foreign, and when he reach a foreign and he file for picnic them, at that time he find out say picnic them and not him, brother. Me not judge people, my youth. Me not
Alright.
judge people.
Alright, if you say, I know you, me believe you. But bro, right now I'm vexed, dog, cause right now, human a cuss, dog, and feel like we are not able to even want give me nothing, dog, cause she a say, oh, me fear even say, pick me enough for me, dog, and me alone, she have sex with without condom, brother.
Brother, mine a town crafty girl I run from you, my youth.
Bro, if you say you not say nothing, well, me believe you.
Brother, me not the type of man, the dog, for walk around and tell people business, dog. Me not do them this, the dog. You see me? Cause for one, me must say a woman even sell front pan the bridge in the dog. So who knows what
She used to.
used to or whatever, it don't matter, dog. Is once you take a pig out of the mud, you cannot take it mud out of a pig, dog. So who knows what happened, dog? You gone to prison for how long and you come back and woman and say I feel pity. You don't know what could have what happened. Brother, me no want nobody mix me up, brother, cause me a one boy around us and I walk and care people business. Go no way, brother. Me no chat people business, none at all. I'll see me all the woman is come see me and go in and argue. Big old of something she create out the dog and I true me a friend and me I say, oh, boy, me can't even take a leap and mix up, dog. I'm not even say nothing to you, dog.
Yo, I'm sorry about that. She even said something to you still, cause I didn't expect that. But brother, right now, me vexed, dog, cause
Brother, I show you woman, dog, me not diss her, dog, and kick yo. Sure. Yo, me I come grown and say to you, dog, cause me no want nobody I come call up my name, dog. Brother, and just control the woman, dog, because I say once a pig, always a pig in a dog, and yo, God no. Sure.
Why, babes? When you hear what going on in our community?
What go on in the community?
Right now, everybody at talk about Billy and Lisa, you know. Everybody at talk about the how Billy thinks say he pick me. I don't feel him. So, I'll be a mix up of one. Can't believe it.
Lipton. One name. Lipton.
So why would I think it's Lipton?
Because if Lipton can't tell you, he must have it around the community as spread.
I don't think Lipton would I tell everybody in the community say oh Billy thinks say I don't feel him pick me.
When Lipton do that, you know, don't need it.
Probably alright still. But why would I tell everybody? That don't make no sense. Me all hear say Lisa here back. And Lisa and Billy in a big argument right now. So not even know how evil Lisa here back.
I me tell her.
So be able how you fit tell Lisa that?
Because Lisa my friend and she deserve to know.
But babes, I must say I'm a woman, you know. If me tell her something, you know, me not supposed to hear back say you go tell somebody else, you know.
She deserve to know. Because Billy have you say no feel pitney. Lisa need to know say Billy have you say no feel pitney.
But if Billy feels so, she don't need to know that. Billy need to tell her. Someone really think you're right, say I go to Lisa and tell her.
Well, she woulda hear it. Anyway you take it, she woulda hear it. Cause it over the community, so she woulda still hear it.
So, me have one question to ask you. You feel so Billy pick me?
Yes. Yes. Me not understand why you know I judge the whole situation.
I not judge me a judge. Me just a listen and me not judge.
It looks to me you're judging. Just I
But
say because
if me I be honest, you don't look like a Billy pick me. You don't look like a Billy pick me, to be honest. You don't look like a fiend. To me, the picking don't have no for Billy. You don't feel so? And alright, think about this. Billy know what she used to do, you know. And like Billy don't know say how she used to dip on a bridge, you know. Billy know. So Billy, I don't like she did cheap on Billy, you know. So there's a possibility that the child can be for your next man.
you hear what I say? Yes. She used to. But you hear what I say? Yeah, listen to what I say?
Yes, because me I listen to me I say me I hear myself very clearly. So you know feel so you know alright, be 100% real with me. Lisa tell us half a Billy pick me.
Lisa never tell me say a Billy pick me. She no tell me, but you can literally see Billy pan the child.
Alright.
You know what? Maybe just leave this alone. Can we get too involved in this? And maybe just leave it alone.
Alright. Me never mean for upset you. I'm sorry for talk about it. This is the last time me talk about Billy and Lisa.
Make it stay away then.
Alright. We
Billy and
just
Lisa will solve them problem.
alright. So I go cook?
Yeah.
Alright. We I go cook.
What you want to eat?
I feel like eat some stew peas and rice, you know.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
So we in a malice now, because I notice you're not sleeping at the bed.
I don't really like say we not malice, you know, but I tell you the truth, God know. Me I try if you not think about it, but it's still a bother me about it, baby. Honestly to God, it a bother me.
Sorry, really, that's a bother you?
I don't like and something me I try if you not think about, but me just can't shake it, the feeling. Me not lie. I try, me can't shake the feeling.
So what you want we do about it?
Me don't know, you know. To be honest, me don't know.
You don't know. You want we do one DNA then? Because I not have nothing to worry about it now.
Why if I that fit put my mind to rest, I that we have to do then, to be honest. If I that put my mind to rest, maybe that's the best thing for you.
So why you not just take my word for it and just hear what me have to say? Like, why you not believe say you're the only person? Like, why you think say the baby and you and the baby look just like you?
Alright, make we just do the DNA and we just put it to rest and
So
done.
you know what hear what me have to say just about the DNA?
No, but you suggest the DNA and I mean,
Yeah, but you're supposed to say no. Because you're a child.
but we just do the DNA. For my child, then that can just put the thing to rest and we just move on. And be happy and
I could
everything.
do DNA because you're a pitney. I don't have nothing for about.
Alright then.
Me that make you know say me I go for KK.
Alright then, cool.
I gotta get my bag on some. What about yourself, Fred?
Yeah, man.
Driving a day.
Javidia Road.
Alright, so you're good. I'm gonna say that one more
Yeah.
like thing.
Yeah.
So,
You alright?
not even in this. Girl, me put myself in trouble.
Oh God, I want to know.
Because I try to play it cool with Billy. Do you know what I'm going to do? I agree to a DNA test. It's like, no, we have to figure out one way. Like, for changing mind or something, I don't know, like, what this will get myself now? Because maybe basically I stop my food right there, so. Do you understand what I say?
So we not just like telling me truth. Just get over with it.
But alone, right?
Yeah, we
Tell
are.
him what's truth. Say the pit and fee and me been a scam him.
Well, you not have to tell him say that scam him. You can just tell him.
But it's gonna be obvious, like there's not much I need to say, like it's gonna be so self-explanatory. What you mean? I'm a friend. You just should have tell me that. You're supposed to tell me that.
Girl, you not have to attack me, you know. You don't have to attack me. Me just a listen and me not judge you. Me just a listen. I'm listening. Me a listen what you have to say. Right? But me think you need to tell me the truth.
Tell him what you ain't to see art and leave. Him no know, say him not gonna feel away. I'm here to do now. I try to fix this damn thing when we got agree to about DNA.
Eventually, we'll find out.
Well, give myself 5 years then, boy. By them time, let me get what I can get. You understand?
Oh boy.
It's since as you want to be so honest and mighty and holy, right? You tell Jamie say you used to work on the bridge with me?
We're not talking about that. We're not talking about
that.
that.
Since as we are talking about honesty, we could talk. You tell your man that?
No.
When you go tell him? You don't feel like it's a crushing look at heart when you tell him? You see, anytime when I develop the courage to tell Javi that, we tell my man say, put in a jacket. As a matter of fact, I did a jacket. He put in a film, not at all. Like, I did mine. You understand? Okay. Now, what we are going to do? Like, girl, tell me something, give me ideas, talk to me.
I have one doctor friend. Where could I go to him, pay him, pretend like I do the DNA test. Pay him for tell him say yeah, I feel him pick me.
Paying, so like, how much money we are talking about? Girl, me in this for make money, not lose money.
We not have no other option.
You think we can work out something like, we can fix something for you?
Girl, the doctor man they don't business about nothing but money. Nothing but money.
You don't feel like me have a chance?
But if you don't have money, you can't talk to him. Say around 100 grand.
100 grand? 100?
Yeah.
Talk him down to 80. 100 too heavy, man. But like me say, me not this make money. Me not really want 100 just enough. But me know me can't get it from Billy. You know me have my way around Billy. Me can't get it from Billy. I don't have no problem. But that 100,000 they could have enough something that could have,
Well.
But if you can talk him down to 80, I could see. You think so?
Alright. Yeah, me can know. Me try.
Why?
But anytime I get money, just let me know so I can make an appointment and we go together.
No, you just let me know if you can get him down to 80. I no problem for me getting money from Billy. No. I no problem for me getting money from Billy. So just tell me if you can talk it down to 80 and then we talk after that. But it's definitely really soon because Billy, like he in a rush. You understand what I'm saying? I know like me can't start for me. I want him to be like, alright, Lisa, I set to an appointment somewhere else. I want carry myself, I want to run out of patience. You understand? So if you do it like between all 2 working days or so. Waiting.
Alright, yeah.
Alright. It's a Lipton. Let me tell you. A Lipton cause all of this, You understand what I say? You better not make Lipton. You better not make Lipton know your business and carry back things to Javi because you are go. You see, you tell me about to be honest. Watch your back with Lipton, my love. So thank you for doing this. Because this is really important to me.
Yeah, man. No
And
problem. Oh.
I'm going to put one look something on it.
They say everything in this.
We don't try to get her to talk you down, but it's fine. You don't do me one favor, so me put one look something on it.
Alright, no problem, man. So,
Alright.
alright, that's good. Alright. Oh, where is he?
In the funny way, in did say I run late, so that kind of work in my favor.
So you don't feel like my say, boy, how comes you come here before
No,
him?
man, you know, so I reach, come you tell him, say, me reach already. Because the time we agree upon, he could be able to come that time. With.
Okay, no
How
problem.
far you there now? Oh, you saying the outside. Just come in, me there the front. Yeah, on the right, yeah.
So, Lisa, something I ask you. Seriously, why are you doing this?
Yeah, but I think you should have asked me that. Because, not to be rude, but this kind of personal, I don't really want to disclose that.
All right. We listen, but we don't judge. Okay?
Well, have something to do with money. It's just like how you want a thing,
Yeah.
want a thing too.
No, money do everything, Money,
Right,
you
right,
know.
right. You understand to me if you take a piece of money.
Go escort him in because, quicker the way. Just want to get this over with and done.
Okay. Walk up, man, because you're late and you still take your time. So,
What one, Doc?
What going on, Mr. Thompson? What are you doing? Everything all right?
Yeah, man, everything good.
Oh.
So, this is going for result,
Well, actually, me have some good news. Yep, result came, which is good news. And guess what happened? It's 99.99% a match. 99.99%.
say it one more time, dog.
99.99%.
Yeah, man, it's just a result. This is just a relief, that everything good. You understand that? And I'm sorry, so me did actually have to put you through all of this. Yeah, man, me really apologize.
No, man, it's yours. Don't worry, it's yours. Well,
All right, Doc. Thank you very much, sir.
why? You can be at ease now, man,
Yeah,
and
man.
so forth. Just put all the doubt aside,
All right, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. All right? All right, take care.
What go on, youth?
What go on, dada?
Rasta there.
You know what I'm saying about?
Yeah.
Yeah, me there still,
Boy, I pass. I pass through and I want to come see if there no herbs around that I can get.
Yeah, man, for real, man. Yeah, man, we have them, man.
So, oh, you look so stressed out, man.
You know, we go, just a smile out.
How am I here now?
Why, say what woman me have, boy, when me get pitney with. Just stop stress me, G. If me mate you want me send money and that you want me see me youth.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Kind of woman that the man, how you want to behave so?
Why, I don't know, Why, right now, I pray for you can go down for the family court side,
So you can't carry him go down there?
Yeah, man. I just go down and go apply for it. And get a date fix.
Well, yeah, let me see you pick now.
Yeah, man, see you.
I'm not in the nose. Me rotted.
Yeah, man, I look at you with that, man.
Me rotted. Yo, this a pick they cut out to fit, man.
Yeah, man.
In favor you badly.
For real, man.
But me don't know your baby mother. How
You
your
know
baby?
Candy, man.
Candy?
Yeah, man. Candy, my baby mother.
Never know dog. Boy, told that woman that the baby brother. I never know say have man. But yo, nobody too stress yourself, brother.
Yeah, man.
You hear?
For real, man. I want them, man.
Yo, tell the girl, say brother. If you not see Pitney, you not give him no money for no Pitney.
Yeah, man.
And you cannot pay for something when you not get.
That's true, my G.
You can't pay for something when you not get, brother.
Real talk, man.
You and I like say you don't love the Pitney, But at least make your Pitney come spend
What
a
the money
little.
when me saying, oh, Gary, that must can hold him out for 1 year.
But yo, not even too stress yourself about it, dog. What you say? We there on the table.
Yeah, man, me I read that, man.
Alright, yo. Tell Rasta say I'm gonna come link him,
Yeah, man, for real.
You understand?
Yeah.
I restrain this, yeah.
You know, the one there, cherry pie.
Cherry pie, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Respect.
Yeah, man.
Oh, bigger Joe, man. Oh, go on. Boy, I run the road that I come from, dog, and I try to tell us, yo, brother, that little community, dog, you just be a mix up, dog.
What go on now?
Billy, Zane?
Why every time you see me, you always have to tell me about Billy.
No, dog, a serious something this, brother.
What happened now?
Billy, woman Lisa, Zane,
Mm-hmm.
having friend and taking friend Pitney, and I try trick Billy with the Pitney. Come on, say Billy did their jail, man.
Wait. Back up. What you talk about? So wait, you tell me say He pick me enough for Billy.
I know for Billy Pitney, brother. I know for Billy Pitney.
I don't know if Lisa pick me.
A tricky girl Lisa try tricky man because in here say Billy sell the thief in goat them, Yobian goat them and win $1 million out of it.
So wait, how you get all of the information now?
Brother, Alaska tell me, brother, Alaska show me pre. Around them I come from, brother, Alaska show me pre. Yo, the man stressed out.
So how Lasco know?
Brother, now the man, woman, brother, I feel him Pitney.
I feel Lasco pick me?
The man show me Pitney, brother, and me look on the Pitney, dead stamp on him, man, dog. Dead stamp on him, man. Yo, I don't know how woman can wicked say that, dog. Eh? Ah, because of money, dog. Greed that he might try trick him, man.
Alright.
Yo, then you're wicked, brother.
Why? I mean, me I try to stay out of all of them mix up, cause my woman tell me say, if you just listen to anything me hear and don't judge, so me I go and ease myself.
Oh, yeah, next one to you know, man. Always a chat about woman, I mean, never see her with the woman yet. I want imagine a woman you have.
Brother, I disrespect, I try to disrespect my thing,
No, I mean, not this, brother. I mean, not judge a thing. What me just a say?
Let me phone them. Let me show you my woman.
Show me your one, man.
I'm a woman this.
Then this a girl and Lisa used to sell friend on the bridge, brother. This a same girl, dog.
Alright, brother, me not make a account disrespect my woman right now, cause me know say two of them are friend, but me not, right now, you talk some things when I make no sense.
Brother, say you feel like some me do come and suck and tell her no foolishness, dog.
Brother, sometimes you know too much mix up and sometimes me not even know if me can believe you. So right now, me know I ain't no more for him.
Well, I'm tell you still. And every man know good things, you know. So when time good things, all right.
So why you look so upset?
Okay, I want to be honest with me.
So why you call me KK? You don't normally call me babes or wagwan.
I want to be honest with me right now. Me not call you one wicked, you know. You one liar.
Who you talk about?
Is it true that you used to sell on the bridge with Lisa?
Yes. Me sorry, never know how to tell you. Me,
You can't even look for you right now.
I am so sorry. Look at me. I am sorry, okay? Me never know how to tell you. And
So why you never feel say you could have just tell me the truth? Why you never feel say you could have just talk to me? From me meet him, me fall in love with you, you know. So why you never just tell me the truth?
because me think you behave a certain way. And you make me stop, you know? You make me stop from me meet you. And you make me stop. I'm sorry, say me build relationship on one lie. I'm ready to tell you. Me never know how to tell you. But oh, you find out. Me want to know that.
A Lipton tell me. You see me out on the road and he tell me.
Lipton. Oh. Me no like Lipton, you know? Lipton chat too much. Lipton talk too much. And nobody don't know Lipton business, but Lipton know everybody business. Anyways, I am sorry. Me did fit you.
Alright. We should he just tell me the truth? I'm gonna forgive you. Cause me always love you.
Why, Lipo, me didn't know somebody if you tell us, say, put that little thing there with the baby thing to rest, brother, because I do want like a DNA test and, boy, you tough for me, you know. Yeah, man. But just do the right thing and just love me out, you see me? Yeah.
Why, Billy? Me and a friend, dog, and honestly, me not really get in a people business, dog, and me just listen and me not judge. And me never want to tell you this. But the pitney the dog, Lisa a liar, brother. The pitney the and a fear pitney.
So you mean saying for me, Pitney? Me just tell us some do DNA test, brother, and doctor say for me.
Brother, DNA test, remember say easy something anybody can print up nothing and sign something, brother. You make anybody can do that, dog. DNA test, my youth. You buy that? You really buy a DNA test?
Brother, what make you say all of this? You know, what?
Brother, that pitney there. Look for yourself and look for Lasco. And look if no Lasco that pitney there for you, brother. That pitney there. While Lisa show you say for your pitney dog, that pitney there and for your pitney, brother. That pitney no belongs to you. And I see Lasco and Lasco show me say, yo, I be a problem we have with the woman. And the woman I tell him say, yo, pitney and he can't see pitney and just give the woman be money and the woman now make him see pitney and the man say, I tell me saying frustrated. So the man show me pitney on the phone. And when the man show me pitney, I see him pitney where you have to show me, brother. That the pitney there. Obviously, me feel like I say, it's either two things. The woman borrow the pitney from Lasco baby mother and send the congi. Because remember say a jail there, you know. How long since you got jail for woman come tell you saying pregnant? You have to think about this, brother. A mind game a girl have.
Lipo, I really that you feel say I really that shit do me, dog.
Brother, woman do man worse than that, dog. So nobody with the foolishness. Woman all have 2, 3, 4 man, brother. And I tell the man them be a different life.
Yo, don't worry, man. I gotta deal with Lisa, man.
Brother, listen. Nobody go do Lisa nothing, you know. Remember say, anything can happen, you know. Remember say, you me short with the 4 goat, the man got jail, you know, man. So people think say you're rich out, you know, dog.
Yo, look more, man. I gotta deal with Lisa, brother.
As I said, don't do Lisa nothing, brother, and get yourself in no trouble.
Lisa, you are going, you know. You know, see, I have to come out of my place. You have to come out of my place, you know.
Pardon me?
Excuse me, no. Me get different horses mouth this time, you know. So I don't like say, me I feel like I'm suspect nothing. Me get different horses mouth say, a Candy and Lasco pitney. You pass off as your pitney.
This a pitney?
Listen, man.
This a pitney?
Just
No, you not.
Just cut it foolish,
Which
man.
foolishness? Look for my pitney. Look for my pitney. What you mean by a year pitney this year? What you mean?
Listen, me I tell you.
Them did it there? Them did it when me and you lay down?
Listen, man, just stop it foolishness. I know for me pitney. I feed them pitney. I look money when me go to prison for when me sell it 2 little Yobian goat them and get $1 million. You frightened for and come pass off pitney say after me pitney. Listen, this is what I tell you, man. Just take your baby and go on back to your place.
Come on to your house. Come on to your house. You feel like that's hard for me though? Let me cut all that foolishness me been a go on with for the longest while because me kind of get tired too, you know. Me tired for your act. Because me an actress. You understand? Nobody not pay me for this. You look $1 million we get after I got it soon done. So me can't leave now right time I choose to run me. Everything I'm fair easy, you know. You understand? Yes, I know you're pitney for you. And what? And what? Are you stupid for falling at the chop? Are you not have no sense? See? Nobody feel like you can't run me. You can't run me because I have my house. You understand what I say? When me did it on the bridge and I do what me feel do, me never did, just did it. You understand? Look for me good. Me make my money. Me can come out.
Alright, you don't know, go on. Go for your things.
No, you don't tell me one for left, you know. Me a left. Me want left. You understand? Me a go in and me a left you. You not tell me when for left. Come with that. Come. Me a left. You understand? Me want left, so me a left. Come.
I hope you know about take me not belong to you, you know.
Come. Go, take your time, mind a job. Hold this, yeah. Hold that. Since as a year money by it. Since as a year money by it. Come. But me feel left.